What is up, Techno fam? What's going on? China D and the place to be. It is NAMM 2026. I'm here with David Glauke from AKG, JBL.
All of it. I'm
Harman.
All of it.
What is it? Samsung? I don't know.
No, it's Harman. Let's go JBL.
JBL. Okay. Yeah. And we've got an interesting display here. What are we looking at? What do we got?
So this year we're celebrating the 80th anniversary of JBL.
Okay.
In October of 1946, James B. Lansing, our founder, founded the company, and we're taking the opportunity to celebrate a lot of the key products over the last 8 decades.
8 decades?
Yes.
That sounds like a long time.
That is a long time.
Okay, cool. So what do we got? What do we got here?
Yeah, so before we get to the founding years, before we get to the 1940s, it's good to establish what was happening before he founded JBL. So in 1927, he landed in Los Angeles primarily to make radio speakers. So we have a late 1920s radio with an old Lansing Manufacturing speaker. So he did that for a number of years. In fact, he started making speakers that are bigger format. And this speaker over here that we can get to a little later is sort of the what really kicked off the pro speaker development from Lansing. In the 1930s, Lansing was involved in the Shearer Horn project from MGM Studios. So what he did was help create a two-way cinema speaker system, and the byproduct of that was a smaller format of the Shearer horn, and that became the Lansing Iconic. This is widely regarded as the very first studio monitor ever made. Why? Because by the time movies came around in talkies, they needed to do monitor mixing, and they had to actually create a product to do that, and this is the product.
Wow.
Then we actually get into the founding year in the 1940s. So 1946 was founded. By 1947, he released the D130 driver. And this driver went on to to be implemented in cinemas. It was in guitar amps of the era, and it went on to actually be a major part of the Grateful Dead's Wall of Sound in the 1970s. So 60s, like early 60s, we developed the 4320 as a custom job for Capitol Records. And so popular was this that EMI made this the monitor for all the EMI recording studio network.
What is this?
So it's a cellular horn. So it's a diffuser. Then we start getting in the late 60s. We get into the 4310. So we made this in 1968, and this was the first sort of like bookshelf version of a studio monitor. It became also an industry standard in recording studios. A lot of very, very famous albums were mixed off of this. The L100 that sold through Luxury Audio came from the 4310.
Okay, so it's based off of this.
It is based on this.
All right, well, we're almost to when I was born, so let's get over there.
So you're born right around here. I was born right around here. Summer NAMM in 1979, we introduced the first portable PA system.
This is the first portable one?
This is the first portable PA.
Get out of here, dude. This thing is heavy as shit.
This is the Cabaret. This is the Cabaret series. It was a system, so there was wedges and other form factors, but you can see how this is made very crudely, but made to stack.
Okay.
But this was made for like gigging bands and throw some speakers in the back of the pickup truck and go gig. So by 1995, then we land on the Eon Power 15.
Yeah, I remember these,
so this is the very first model in the Eon series. We made these in Northridge, California. We did 1 per minute rolled off the assembly line.
Get out. That's a lot, man.
Very, very popular. This one's nice and beat up, just like the way we like it.
Yeah, it's used. You got to use these things, right?
So now in
the 2000s.
The 2000s, what we were doing is we're taking what we learned in the line array systems and making more of a portable version of it. So this is the one of the first VRX lines that we made. So for those who are familiar with touring line array form factors, you might recognize this. Well, we made it in a form factor that was more portable. Yeah, and then we get to the Eon 1. So this is the first time that we started to do all-in-ones. So we have this tower here, and we have on board a lot of mixing capability, a lot of power amps, multi-channel inputs, So this is the first time we started getting into all-in-ones, and then our PRX line, we also do all-in-ones as well. And then it takes us to current, right? So this is the SRX 922. This is what we debuted at NAMM, and this sort of represents the latest. So really what we're doing is we're taking a look at all the history and going back from that speaker in 1929 to current. This is how we got here.
What do you guys think about JBL? Because I know my first pair of speakers were JBLs, so I always have like a soft spot in my heart for JBLs. Let me know what you think in the comments. I got more NAMM 26 coming at you.
And we have a soft spot for you too.
Love it. See you guys in the next one. Peace. What's up, Techno fam? I am back. NAMM 2026. I'm here with Brian Globke.
Brian, take two.